Welcome back to my channel, guys. If you are new here, hi, my name is Autumn and welcome to my DEBT Roulette series. In today's video, I'm going to be decluttering my makeup and showing you guys my vanity. Let's just jump right into the video. All right, guys, so I'm gonna have some real talk with you. Your girl is having a day. Baby, I don't know if you can see him rolling around in there. He should be taking a nap. I don't know what's going on with him. He is so cranky today. He's been fighting with me back and forth. We're going through this cranky battle, and what I do when I am needing to is I start decluttering things. I'm gonna declutter my makeup for you guys today because I really need to. I have way too much stuff. I'm one of those people that I went from literal makeup artist to I don't really do that anymore, and I have way too much stuff and half of it's expired or old or I don't use it, and I just need to go down to the minimum of what I'm actually using because I have way too much stuff in my life. All right, let's talk about it. This is all my makeup that I use every day. And then in this bad boy train case is a lot of my makeup artist stuff that I was using, and half of it I don't even touch. So let's just start going through things. All right, first thing that I know that I'm going to get rid of is this Shade on Light palette. I've had this for years and years and years. I don't really like these two colors, but I've been using them because I have them. And then these are basically gone. This needs to go. So that's going in the trash bag. This needs to go. There's literal old witch hazel in this bottle. That's embarrassing. This is going. I feel like I'm doing it well so far. Okay, so this I'm gonna keep. I use this all the time. This is the Color Wow Root Cover-Up Powder. I use this in my hair, and I mostly use this on my eyebrows. If you've seen my eyebrow tutorial, you'll know that I use this all the time. We're gonna keep this. This is pretty full. This is the Wow Brow, and I do use that. I think I'm gonna sort all of these things into categories and then just go one by one and see what I need and what I do not need, because I think that's what we're gonna do. Well, we started putting everything in categories, and then it kind of got a little wild. There's still loose pigments in there. Oh boy. All right, let's do this. All right, so first of all, I already know things that need to be tossed, so I'm just gonna pick those out and do it right now. I've got my bag next to me, but this is a little sample or mini size of a Too Faced bronzer. First of all, this color, it was a split. This is too light for me, so even though it's broken, it wouldn't work for me. So that's going. This is going because I don't even know how old this is. Same with these three. We're gonna toss all these. These are a jumbo eye pencil, an eyeliner, and a lip liner. Yeah, these gotta go because I have no idea when these are from. This, to demoisturizer, I just finished. I don't know why I put it back. This lip gloss is empty. This ColourPop, you know what I'm saying. The thing that goes under your eyes. I'm gonna toss this chapstick because it burns my lips, so I don't use it. Let's look at these. We'll go through some lip products. I first of all don't really wear lip products anymore. Some of these are really old, so I think they probably need to go. So we're gonna start with these. This is a Morphe, I don't know what it is, a lip gloss, lip topper. It's in gold. It's really pretty, but I don't wear it. I'm gonna see if my sister wants it. But this has gotta go, it's way too old. And then I have another, I'm gonna do a little bit of a donate pile for friends and family, see if they want them, because they're not used or they're sanitized. So maybe some things people can get some use out of. I'm gonna go ahead and put this Ofra powder in there. It's translucent. What is this? MAC Whirl. Clearly this melted into shape. Does anyone remember when this was like Kylie Jenner's color? It's gotta go. This is from a Star Trek collection. I don't know why I thought I needed a sparkly blue lipstick. I don't know what I was thinking there. The Maybelline Eye Studio. I used to love this liner, but now every time I use it, it just melts off my face. Trash. Ooh, this has gotta go. I already know. This is a MAC Paint Pot in Painterly, and it is 100% dry. That's embarrassing. All right, let's talk about highlighters really quick. So I have the Dandelion highlighter. I used to work for Benefit, so I have a lot of Benefit highlighters. Ooh, that smells bad. Okay, I was gonna keep this one, but it smells like straight alcohol. So we're gonna toss that. My very first highlighter I ever bought is Opal, and it's like, so like there's nothing. It's not worth it. I think I'm just gonna keep these two for highlights. That's it for highlights. No more highlights. Then we have our brow products, these two. Let's talk about foundation. I have one, and I have one concealer, and also I have one powder. And I only need one bronzer. This is a hard one. I don't know why blush is being hard for me. I already know I don't wear these two. I could get down with this, but I could also live without it. These three I'm having a hard time with. I might keep all three. This is the Rockateur by Benefit, Too Faced I Will Always Love You Love Flush, and then Luminoso Milani. You know what? I'm gonna get rid of Luminoso because I'm looking at it on my skin. I don't know if you can see. Let me swatch these better. The Luminoso just is a little bit more pinky. This one right here, and it's a little light for my skin, whereas this one right here is more peach, and I think it works a little better on my skin. So I'm actually making good progress so far. This is what we have in the keep pile so far right here, and then this is the rest, and this is the trash bag, and that's the giveaway. Primers. I think I want to keep all my primers. I'm looking at mascara. I have so many little baby sizes. I think I'm going to keep them all. Okay, maybe we can start putting this together. I wish I had little organizers, but I don't. All right, so far so good. Let's go through eyeshadow palette. I already know, sorry Manny. The Jaclyn Hill original palette with Morphe. I love the Jaclyn Hill palettes, and the 350, oh, it's so pretty. This can go. This is like garbage. This is a BH Cosmetic. Yeah, it's like, this worked for me for a time, but the powder, the shadows just, they're not great, so they don't really work too well anyway. It's gonna go. It's gonna go. Gonna go. New Jaclyn Hill palette. I love this thing too. And then the chocolate bar palette. I don't know how I'm gonna part with this thing. This was my first expensive fancy eyeshadow palette. I think that I'm gonna still keep it. I use it all the time. So I'm gonna quickly go through all of the lip products and the loose eyeshadow pigments. We're gonna go through this really quickly. Okay, so this is it for keep, and then this is going to toss. I'm very impressed with myself on this one. I'm not gonna lie. Make sure you guys follow along and subscribe to my channel if you are new here and you want to follow along with my DEBT Roulette series. I would love to have you. Thank you so much for watching. I have been doing really great so far. We are on episode 2 of DEBT Roulette. Give this video a thumbs up if you've been liking it. I've actually sold quite a few of my things online so far. If you guys want to help me out, I'm not asking you to buy anything, but if you're on Poshmark and want to share my stuff, I will return the favor as best as I can. And if you want to share any of my videos, give it a thumbs up, comment. You guys want to help me out, get to my goals. Any of those things are really helpful and I super appreciate them. But in the meantime, I will see you guys in the next video. And the next episode of DEBT Roulette will be out again on Saturday. I can't wait. Let's see what else I declutter. Bye.